Welcome to our YouTube channel Market Master Opinion. In this episode, we are going to talk about Credit Access Grameen Limited. Credit Access Grameen is uniquely positioned to capitalize on the highly under-penetrated credit in rural areas with one of the lowest lending rate and one of the best operating cost efficiencies. The company's joint liability group JLG pays lending specially to women customers in underserved rural area has helped the company in becoming leader in the industry. Merger with Madura Microfinance will help company in diversifying its portfolio and expansion of branches. The company has strong liquidity portfolio and adequate capital which provide additional cushion of safety. Moreover, foreign promoter support provide access to global fundraising opportunities. Credit Access, superior business model, customer connect and motivated employee force is key differentiators. Even in the challenging environment, the company in Q1 financial year 21 has reported a strong operating performance. The COVID-19 related challenges also seems easing out as the collection efficiency of the company has improved and loan book under moratorium has declined. Microfinance could be among few sectors which could report double-digit loan growth. Asset quality might deteriorate in financial year 21, but we feel the situation will start normalizing from financial year 22. Focusing on loan growth funding with mix of domestic and foreign source and comparatively shorter lending tenure have created a positive for the company. Even in the challenging environment, the company in financial year 21 Q1 has reported a strong operating performance. Net interest income and pre-provisioning operating profit grew by 55% year-on-year, while profit after tax declined by 25% year-on-year due to higher provisioning. Collection efficiency improved month-on-month basis backed by strong customer connect and weekly collection model. With improving collection trends, loan book under moratorium declined in June and July. Management highlighted that by the end of August, they expect moratorium book to fall 4 to 5%. The company offers wide range of lending products to address income generation, individual loans, family welfare, home improvement, and emergency loans. Each of these products has been designed based on customer needs and requests. The customer-centric approach helped the company in achieving high customer retention of 85%. With operational history of over 2 decades, the company has experienced many business cycles and has managed to grow at a robust rate. In last 5 years, net profit of the company has grew at 41% CAGR. After acquiring Madura Microfinance Limited in financial year 20, the company consolidated gross loan portfolio stood at Rs 11,724 crore as of Q1 financial year 21. The asset quality of the company has also remained stable. The competition from small finance bank is decreasing because of their incremental focus towards expanding non-microfinance portfolios. The company has constantly increased its shares in rural areas over the last 5 years. With continuous reduction in operating expense over the past few years, the company has managed to achieve best-in-class cost-to-income ratio. Further, the company continued to invest in technology platform to increase operational and management efficiencies. Negative factor. CreditAccess has never declared any dividend in the past, focusing on growing its loan book. Shareholder wishing to receive regular cash flow may be disappointed unless the company change its policies. CreditAccess needs to bring down its promoter stake from 75% by August 2021. Hence, it may look at an OFS or FPO, which may lead to higher float in the market, remain cause of concern for the investor. We feel this will not affect negatively on stock price as company is growing constantly. The company's promoter is CreditAccess Asia, a multinational company specializing in micro and small enterprise financing, which is backed by institutional investor and has a micro lending experience through its subsidiaries in 4 countries in Asia. The company has achieved a major milestone by successfully completing the first step of merger with Madura Microfinance Limited with a purchase of 76.08% stake in March 2020. This merger will further strengthen leadership position as the largest NBFC in the field of microfinance in India. Madura Microfinance has largest network in Tamil Nadu, which will reduce the portfolio concentration of Karnataka for CreditAccess Grameen Limited. The company currently trading at Rs 696. Looking at the growth potential has room for decent upside. We feel that investor can buy CreditAccess Grameen at the current market price and add more on dips. We feel the base case target of Rs 743 and bull case target of Rs 821 can be achievable within a couple of months. In this episode, we have expressed our views only. Investment decision is completely yours. Hope you have enjoyed the video. We request you kindly share and subscribe our channel. We will be highly grateful to have your precious comments. Thanks a lot for watching our channel.